Hey everyone, welcome back to Juragan English Channel.
Hello. I am Alex, and today we have one of the most thrilling and exciting episodes ever.
That is right. Today we are talking about one of the greatest Hollywood stars of all time, Tom Cruise.
Yes, Tom Cruise is arguably the most dedicated, most daring, and most exciting action star in Hollywood history.
And we are going to talk about his best movies together in simple and easy English today.
Before we start, please hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell right now.
Okay, Alex, before we talk about his movies, let us give everyone a quick Tom Cruise background.
Great idea. Tom Cruise was born on July 3, 1962 in Syracuse, New York, making him one of Hollywood's longest-serving superstars.
In English, longest serving means having maintained a position or status successfully for the greatest amount of time.
Tom Cruise has been making blockbuster movies for over 40 years, and he is still going stronger than ever.
Blockbuster means a movie that is extremely successful commercially, making enormous amounts of money worldwide.
But what makes Tom Cruise truly legendary is not just his acting. It is his insane dedication to doing real stunts.
In English, stunts means dangerous physical acts performed in movies, usually done by specially trained stunt performers.
But Tom Cruise insists on doing almost all of his own stunts himself. No stunt double needed.
Stunt double means a specially trained person who performs dangerous scenes instead of the actual actor.
In English, we can say, Tom Cruise's commitment to performing his own stunts is absolutely unmatched in Hollywood.
Commitment means showing total dedication and willingness to do whatever it takes to achieve the best result.
Unmatched means so exceptional that nobody else comes close to reaching the same level or standard.
He has hung from the side of a real airplane, climbed the world's tallest building, and jumped between buildings.
In English, we can say, Tom Cruise puts his actual life on the line to give audiences the most thrilling experience possible.
Puts his life on the line means takes genuine and serious personal risks in order to achieve something important.
Now let us talk about his greatest and most iconic movies one by one, starting with the absolute classics.
Yes, let us start with the movie that first made Tom Cruise a massive global superstar, Top Gun from 1986.
Oh yes, Top Gun is one of the most iconic and most beloved action movies ever made in Hollywood history.
In English, we can say, Top Gun is a high-energy action film about elite fighter pilots competing at a prestigious naval academy.
Elite means the very best and most highly skilled, selected from the top of a highly competitive field.
Prestigious means highly respected and admired, carrying a great reputation and status in society.
Tom Cruise plays Pete Mitchell, a cocky but brilliant pilot with the call sign Maverick.
Call sign means the nickname used to identify a specific pilot during military operations and communications.
Cocky means overconfident and a little arrogant, too sure of yourself in a way that can annoy other people.
But Maverick is so charming and so talented that you cannot help but absolutely love him anyway.
In English, we can say, Top Gun made Tom Cruise the coolest and most exciting young actor in all of Hollywood.
The flying sequences in Top Gun are so breathtaking that they make your heart race with excitement.
Heart race means your heartbeat becomes faster because of excitement, fear, or intense physical sensation.
And the iconic soundtrack, including the song Danger Zone, became one of the most recognizable in movie history.
In English, soundtrack means the collection of music used throughout a film to enhance the mood and emotion.
Now let us talk about Top Gun Maverick from 2022, the sequel that became an absolute phenomenon.
Oh wow! Top Gun Maverick was genuinely one of the greatest movie sequels ever made. I was completely blown away.
In English, sequel means a movie that continues the story of a previous film, coming after the original.
Phenomenon means something so extraordinary and so impressive that it attracts massive attention and admiration.
In English, we can say, Top Gun Maverick became one of the highest-grossing films in Tom Cruise's entire career.
Highest grossing means earning the most money at the box office compared to other films in the same category.
The aerial sequences in Top Gun Maverick are so jaw-dropping that audiences literally screamed in their seats.
Aerial sequences mean scenes filmed from aircraft showing breathtaking views and movements through the sky.
And Tom Cruise actually learned to fly real jets for this movie, taking his dedication to a whole new level.
In English, we can say, Top Gun Maverick proved that Tom Cruise's commitment to his craft is truly unparalleled.
Unparalleled means so uniquely excellent that nothing else can be placed alongside it as an equal comparison.
Now let us talk about the Mission Impossible franchise, Tom Cruise's greatest ongoing achievement.
Oh yes, Mission Impossible is the most thrilling and most consistently excellent action franchise in cinema today.
In English, franchise means a series of connected movies featuring the same character across multiple films.
In English, we can say, Tom Cruise plays secret agent Ethan Hunt, who tackles impossible missions around the world.
Secret agent means a highly trained spy who works undercover on classified government operations globally.
Tackles means takes on and deals with very difficult and challenging problems or situations head-on.
The Mission Impossible series is famous for featuring the most incredible and most creative stunt sequences ever.
In Mission Impossible 2, Tom Cruise climbed the sheer face of a massive cliff completely without a safety rope.
Sheer face means a completely vertical and smooth surface, perfectly straight up and down with nothing to hold.
In Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol, he scaled the outside of the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building.
Scaled means climbed to the top of something very tall and very challenging using skill and physical strength.
In English, we can say, watching Tom Cruise climb the Burj Khalifa in real life is one of cinema's most terrifying moments.
And in Mission Impossible Rogue Nation, he actually hung on the outside of a real Airbus airplane as it took off.
In English, we can say, each Mission Impossible film pushes the boundaries of what is physically possible in action cinema.
Pushes the boundaries means goes further and attempts more than what has ever been done before in that area.
My personal favourite Mission Impossible film is Fallout, the 6th installment in the series.
Oh, Fallout is absolutely incredible. Many critics call it the greatest action movie ever made in Hollywood history.
In English, critics means professional reviewers who watch and evaluate films and share their expert opinions publicly.
Installment means one individual film within a larger series of connected movies in the same franchise.
In English, we can say, Mission Impossible Fallout features the most breathtaking and relentless action sequences ever filmed.
Relentless means never stopping or slowing down. Continuously intense without giving the audience a moment to breathe.
The motorcycle chase through Paris and the helicopter sequence at the end are absolutely unforgettable.
In English, you can say, Mission Impossible Fallout kept me on the edge of my seat from the very first minute to the last.
Now let us talk about another Tom Cruise classic that showed his incredible dramatic acting range, Jerry Maguire.
Oh yes, Jerry Maguire from 1996 is such a beautifully different side of Tom Cruise that people sometimes forget about.
In English, dramatic acting range means the ability to perform a wide variety of different emotional roles convincingly.
In English, we can say, Jerry Maguire is a heartfelt sports drama about a sports agent who rediscovers his humanity.
Heartfelt means coming from very genuine and deep emotions, sincere and touching rather than shallow or artificial.
Rediscovers his humanity means finding again the warmth, compassion, and genuine human values he had lost.
Tom Cruise's performance in Jerry Maguire earned him an Academy Award nomination, showing his true acting depth.
Academy Award nomination means being officially recognized as one of the best performances of the entire year.
The most famous line from Jerry Maguire is, "Show me the money," which became one of the most quoted lines ever.
Most quoted means repeated and referenced by so many people that it became permanently embedded in popular culture.
In English, popular culture means the ideas, trends, entertainment, and references that are widely shared in society.
Now let us also mention Rain Man from 1988, one of Tom Cruise's most critically acclaimed early performances.
In English, we can say, Rain Man is a deeply moving road trip drama where Tom Cruise plays opposite Dustin Hoffman.
Critically acclaimed means receiving very high praise and positive recognition from professional film critics worldwide.
Tom Cruise plays Charlie Babbitt, a selfish young man who slowly learns to love and understand his autistic brother.
Autistic means having autism, a condition that affects how a person communicates and experiences the world around them.
In English, we can say, Rain Man demonstrated that Tom Cruise is not just an action star, but a genuinely gifted dramatic actor.
Gifted means having a natural and exceptional talent that goes beyond what ordinary training alone can produce.
Okay, Alex. Now the big question. What is your absolute #1 favorite Tom Cruise movie of all time?
Without any doubt at all, my absolute favorite Tom Cruise movie is Mission Impossible Fallout.
Oh, great choice. And why is Fallout your #1 pick above all the other incredible films?
Because Fallout has literally everything: incredible action, emotional depth, brilliant storytelling, and insane stunts.
In English, emotional depth means having very strong and meaningful feelings woven into the story and characters.
And the Halo jump sequence at the beginning of Fallout is the most breathtaking single scene I have ever watched.
Halo jump means high altitude, low opening, jumping from a plane at extreme height and opening the parachute very late.
Tom Cruise actually performed that Halo jump himself, at an altitude of over 7 kilometers above the ground.
In English, we can say, that level of dedication to his craft is what makes Tom Cruise truly one of a kind.
One of a kind means completely unique. There is nobody else quite like that person anywhere in the world.
And my personal favourite is actually Top Gun Maverick, because it made me feel so many emotions at once.
Oh, Top Gun Maverick is such a worthy choice. It was genuinely one of the greatest cinema experiences ever.
In English, we can say, Top Gun Maverick proved that Tom Cruise is still the most exciting star in Hollywood today.
Now let us learn some great English phrases for talking about Tom Cruise movies in conversation.
First phrase, you can say, in my opinion, blank is Tom Cruise's greatest performance because blank.
Or try, I was completely blown away by blank. The action sequences were absolutely jaw-dropping and unforgettable.
You can also say, what makes Tom Cruise so special is his incredible dedication to performing his own stunts.
Another great phrase is, blank kept me on the edge of my seat from the very first scene to the very last.
And Tom Cruise has proven time and time again that he is the most committed actor working in Hollywood today.
Time and time again means repeatedly and consistently, happening over and over across many different occasions.
These phrases will help you discuss Tom Cruise and movies naturally and confidently in English.
Okay, everyone, let us do a quick review of all the incredible Tom Cruise movies from today.
Top Gun, the movie that made Tom Cruise a global superstar and defined action movies of the 1980s.
Top Gun Maverick, the breathtaking sequel that proved Tom Cruise is still the king of Hollywood action.
Mission Impossible Fallout, widely considered the greatest action movie ever made with the most insane stunts.
Jerry Maguire, showing Tom Cruise's incredible dramatic range with a heartfelt and deeply human performance.
Rain Man, proving Tom Cruise is a genuinely gifted dramatic actor far beyond just action and adventure films.
In English, you can say, Tom Cruise is not just a movie star. He is a force of nature who never stops pushing limits.
Force of nature means someone so powerful, energetic, and unstoppable that they seem beyond ordinary human limits.
Now it is your turn to practice your English right now in the comments section below.
Right. My favourite Tom Cruise movie is blank, because blank. Give us your best explanation.
All right. The most impressive thing about Tom Cruise is blank because blank. Share your thoughts.
Every English sentence you write here is real and valuable practice. We are so incredibly proud of you.
If this episode was fun and helpful, please give it a big thumbs up right now.
Share this video with your friends who love Tom Cruise and want to practice English together.
Subscribe to Juragan English Channel so you never miss our next exciting and fun episode.
Remember, every English conversation you practice brings you one giant step closer to real fluency.
Keep going, keep learning, and keep accepting your own impossible missions every single day.
We believe in you completely, and we are cheering for your English journey every step of the way.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are truly amazing, and we mean every single word.
See you in the next episode of Juragan English Channel.
Bye everyone. Keep learning, keep watching, and keep smiling every single beautiful day.
You got this. See you next time on Juragan English Channel.